Welcome to Module 7 of the Coinbase course. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to safely send and receive crypto on Coinbase without losing money, without sending to the wrong network, and without making the mistakes most beginners make. Crypto transfers are simple, but they must be done correctly. After this module, you'll know exactly how to do it the right way. The 3 rules before sending any crypto. Before you send crypto anywhere, remember these 3 rules. Rule number 1, always double check the wallet address. Crypto transfers can't be reversed. One wrong letter equals lost funds. Rule number 2, make sure you're using the correct network. Example, ETH, Ethereum network, USDC, Ethereum, Base, or Solana, depending on the version. Coinbase will warn you if a network mismatch occurs. Rule number 3, start with a small test amount. This is the smartest thing crypto investors do. Send $1 to $5 first. Make sure it lands, then send the full amount. How to receive crypto on Coinbase. Receiving crypto is easy. Here's how. Open Coinbase, tap Pay at the bottom, tap Receive. Select the asset you want to receive, example, Bitcoin. Copy your wallet address, share it only with the person or platform sending you crypto. Coinbase will show your wallet address, a QR code, the supported networks. Important, Bitcoin addresses are only for Bitcoin. Ethereum addresses are only for Ethereum-based assets. How to send crypto from Coinbase. To send crypto, tap Pay, tap Send, choose the asset, enter the amount, paste the wallet address you're sending to, review the network, confirm the transaction. Coinbase will show you the estimated network fee, arrival time, and the final confirmation screen. Always check everything here before pressing send now. Understanding network fees. Network fees are not Coinbase fees. They're blockchain costs. Examples, Bitcoin, fees higher when network is busy. Ethereum, gas fees vary based on network load. Base and Solana, usually very low fees. Coinbase shows the fee before you send so you can decide whether to wait. How to choose the right network. Some assets exist on multiple networks. Example, USDC is on the Ethereum network, also on the Base network, and the Solana network. Always match the network the receiver uses, the network your wallet supports. If you send Ethereum USDC to a Solana USDC address, the funds will not arrive. Coinbase normally blocks unsupported routes, but it's still your job to verify. Why you should always use a test transaction. A $3 test transaction can save you hundreds. Do a small test first when sending to a new wallet, paying someone for the first time, making a large transfer, using a new exchange or DeFi platform. Once the test arrives, send the full amount confidently. How to check transfer status. After sending crypto, go to Activity, tap the transaction, review the details, network, your hash ID, destination address, confirmation status. If you ever need proof of sending, the transaction hash is your receipt on the blockchain. Coinbase Vault extra security for long-term storage. Coinbase also offers vault storage, which gives 48-hour withdrawal delays, multi-approval requirements, extra security for long-term holding. If you're storing large amounts of Bitcoin, Vault is ideal. Safety tips to protect transfers. To avoid mistakes, never type a wallet address. Always copy and paste. Double check the first and last 4 digits of the address. Never send to someone claiming support or tech help. Always confirm the network. Use a test transaction for expensive transfers. Don't rush. Slow is safe in crypto. This completes Module 7, how to transfer crypto safely. You now understand how to send crypto, how to receive crypto, how network fees work, how to choose the correct network, how to avoid mistakes with test transactions.